I'm Judy French. I'm the director of the Ohio Department of Insurance, and I'm chair of the NAIC's Life Insurance and Annuities Committee.
My name is Doug Oman. I serve as the Iowa Insurance Commissioner, and I am co-vice chair of the A Committee.
I'm Carter Lawrence, and I serve as the Commissioner of the Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance. Here at NAIC, I serve on the A Committee as the co-vice chair.
We look at all issues related to life insurance and annuities, but we also review and analyze life insurance and annuities products.
The Life and Annuity Committee is responsible not just for the consumer protection in terms of how the products are sold, but also very responsible for making sure that the companies have the financial wherewithal to make good on those promises. And so the companies are more resilient and the industry is more resilient because of the sophistication and the work that goes into making sure those companies are adequately capitalized and adequately reserved for these products.
We're really responsive in seeking feedback from the initiatives that we undertake to make sure that we have a really good scope on how it's going to impact our consumers.
About half of all Americans have life insurance policies. Those life insurers have about $2 trillion in assets that they're holding on behalf of those consumers. We want to make sure that they're holding those assets in a way that is protective of consumers. So all of those technical standards that underlie the regulations, those are the kinds of things that the A Committee is looking at and supervising.
One of our really important priorities for the Life and Annuity Committee is this continued work with regards to annuity suitability. Annuities are really an important part of our retirement planning for many Americans.
One of our projects that we've been working on for several years is the generator of economic scenarios. There's a project to generate different scenarios that might occur that would affect those assets that are being held by life insurers in the United States. So we have some really smart individuals projecting those different scenarios, working very closely with the industry to make sure we have good predictors in place so that no matter what happens with the economy, no matter what happens with assets, those life insurers are strong and the assets are there when those policyholders need them.
It's really important that we do get the generator of economic scenarios correct because of the important financial decisions that are made by the companies afterwards, which will flow downhill to the experience that consumers have. So that's just one little microcosm of the seemingly small decisions that are made here at NAIC that can have really big impacts.